So we have to look a little further into some keywords specifically for funeral services themselves. So we have to look at your name plus cremation, your city plus the funeral homes that are there, your city plus embalming, right? All of these keywords are vital to the success of your website because we want to create a site or a pattern of sites that's designed specifically around the most commonly searched volume words inside of the funeral services market. So that may include cremation, funeral homes, embalming, caskets, funeral arrangements, memorial services, funeral homes, hearses, coffins, funeral flower arrangements, funeral costs, memorial, cremation urns, urns for ashes, and adding your city to the actual page itself. What Google is going to do is it's going to go in and it's going to actually index these keywords to ensure that you're meeting the demands of that area. So it might be cremation in Houston, for example. People look this up all the time. I know that this generates roughly, for most larger cities of a million more people, roughly about 27,000 to 37,000 searches per month. It would be excellent if we could convert even 3%, even if you could convert 1% of 27,000, that's an additional 2,700 phone calls directly into your business, specifically for the purposes of these services, so that we can start growing your funeral home. Hey there, thank you so much for watching my video. The next step is for you to go ahead and download our step-by-step cheat sheet for funeral services. The link can be located above or below, so you can click and get started today. What it's going to do is it's going to give you the step-by-step guide to show you exactly where the low-hanging fruit is in the marketplace and show you what you have to do in order to grow your funeral services as well as your funeral home. If you want to go ahead, click the guide above or below, like I said, and we can get started showing you how to dominate the digital marketing landscape today.